Hey you guys, it's me, K Marie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be reviewing this multifunctional hand blender by AllKeys. I just want to give a big shout out to AllKeys for contacting me and asking me to review this product. I do think it's really amazing. So I will be showing you guys how I made a smoothie. I chose to make a smoothie because I was just in the mood for it today, and I thought that it would be perfect to use my new product for that. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I think about this product and how I used it to accomplish making my smoothie, then stay tuned. Alright, let's go ahead and get started.
Alright, so here is my AllKeys hand blender that I'll be using today. And it came with this cup that I'm going to be putting all of my ingredients in. This is the attachment that I'll be using to actually blend my ingredients. It also came with a whisk and a frother, so that was pretty nice. Here's the main component, and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys. This portion that I'm putting on right now is what you would use for your other attachments, not the blending portion. So just in case, this is the portion that I'm going to be using. I'm just going to go ahead and twist this on. It goes on pretty easily. And this blends ice, it crushes ice very well. Just turning it on, making sure it works. Yep, it works. And I'm gonna move on to putting my ingredients in. I'm making a smoothie today. So this is frozen fruit that I'm using. Just gonna go ahead and open this up. Pretty much just fruit, so I'm gonna go ahead and add my fruit juice. Just so you guys know, I'm adding some strawberry nectar, and this is some Minute Maid peach juice. You can really add whatever you want. This is just what I'm adding to my smoothie. The video is really not about the smoothie, it's about the AllKeys hand blender. So got that all mixed up. I'm just going to go ahead and pour it into my container. And as you can see, it's a lot of juice, but there are lots of berries in this that need to be broken down. I'm going to go ahead and add my ice in. I added 2 scoops of ice. I don't want it to be too icy, so just add it enough. Add whatever you feel like. And then I'm going to go ahead and start blending, and there we go. It actually broke down this ice pretty well. Like, I was really shocked. I did more pumps than I probably needed to, but that's because I wasn't sure how well the product was going to work, and I kind of underestimated it. But it worked pretty well at crushing that ice and the fruit, so thumbs up to that. Alright, so I'm all done. I'm just going to set that aside and pour my drink. And yep, I give it a thumbs up. It passed the test.
So I actually really like this product. Here it is again. It's so good, and all of the fruits and vegetables in this are blended up very well, and I didn't have to use it for long for it to go ahead and chop up everything. I will say that initially I was a little bit skeptical because I wasn't sure if this was going to be able to cut through the ice as effectively as I'm used to it cutting through with the blender, but it did an excellent job, and I did not have to process it for very long to get it to the consistency that I like. So it's definitely a 10 out of 10 for me. And I wanted to show you guys the attachments really quickly. I know I showed it before, but it comes with 2 other attachments besides the one that I used. So So the one that I use is best for crushing ice and bulkier items like fruits or vegetables or whatever you blend up. So it's perfect for smoothies, but you can also froth with it. This is a metal frother. I probably won't use this much because I'm not a coffee drinker like that, but it is perfect for that. And then here is a whisk as well, so you can also scramble eggs and whatever else you need. I will say the whisk is a bit thin, so you don't want to, or it's a bit flimsy, so you don't want to whisk anything too heavy with this, but it is perfect for lighter consistency items like eggs, I would say. And then when you want to attach one of these, what you do is you just stick the end piece in and stick this other piece on to the edge, onto the end of the blender, and boom, there's your attachment. So yeah, overall I really like this AllKeys hand blender. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you AllKeys for sending this product to me to review. I really appreciate it, and it will definitely be coming in handy soon. If you watch my videos, you know that I am having twins, and I do plan on making baby food, so this is perfect for that. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you want to see content that's similar, just let me know down below. Bye.